Homes of animals and birds. Ant lives in anthill. Bee lives in hive. Bird lives in nest. Cat lives in cattery. Dog lives in kennel. Dove lives in dovecote. Eagle lives in eyrie. Horse lives in stable. Hen lives in coop. Lion lives in den. Pig lives in pen. Cow lives in shed. Rabbit lives in burrow. Sheep lives in pen. Spider lives in web. Camel lives in desert. Bear lives in den. Cheetah lives in safari. Deer lives in bush. Donkey lives in barn. Elephant lives in jungle. Fish lives in aquarium. Fox lives in lair. Giraffe lives in safari. Goat lives in pen. Kangaroo lives in hollow tree. Mouse lives in hole. Panda lives in bamboo tree. Penguin lives in penguinery. Shark lives in sea. Snail lives in shell. Squirrel lives in dray. Tiger lives in lair. Yak lives in hill. Zebra lives in safari. Thank you.